we will be demonstrating the evaporator disassembly for Horizon Elite. You will need the following tools: 3/16" Allen wrench, ratchet, 5/16" and 9/16" socket, Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench, protective gloves, a rag or towel. To begin, remove the magnetic grill cover. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws in the bottom corners of the stainless steel housing. Slide forward and set aside. Press the Clean button. This will drain the evaporator of water. After about 1 minute, the low water light will turn on. Once lit, turn off the machine. Make sure the inlet water valve is shut off. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the ground screw from the gear motor. Screw back into place to avoid losing the screw. Next, you will need to disconnect the electrical 2/4 inch spade connectors from the gear motor. Remove the insulation from the front of the gear. Use the 3/16" Allen wrench to remove the front screws. Take out the spacer fork. Pry the auger forward a little with a flathead screwdriver to slide the fork out. Use the 9/16" socket wrench to loosen and remove the gear motor bolts. Now you can slide the gear motor off the auger. As you remove the gear motor, there is a small rectangle key inside the auger shaft of the gear motor. Make sure to remove the key and set aside for reassembly. Unscrew the transport tube from the louvered docking station. The ice transport tube is connected at the top of the shuttle. Use the 5/16" socket wrench to loosen the hose clamp. The transport tube is connected to a 3/4 inch barb fitting. Remove the transport tube. Once the tube is removed, unscrew the shuttle assembly. Detach the small micro switch snapped onto the pins at the shuttle assembly. Remove the push-fit drain line from the drain port outlet of the shuttle assembly. Take out the ice compression nozzle and the O-ring underneath the shuttle. Remove the insulation from the front of the evaporator. We are now at the main housing. Remove the 3 Allen screws with the 3/16" Allen wrench. At this time, please put on your protective gloves. Wear gloves to prevent being cut by the auger flights. The auger is very sharp. Rotate the auger to align the auger opening with the stream divider and remove it from the main housing. If the machine has recently been run, water will likely spill into the drain pan. After the auger has been removed, inspect the inside of the evaporator for scale buildup. If water spilled into the drain pan, soak it up with the rag or towel. The evaporator disassembly is now complete.